So how to reset your Toshiba satellite or what and Windows 10? First thing we have to click right here. Let me close this. So first thing you have to go right here, click that, and go to settings. Then when you go to settings, wait a sec, then go to update and security. When you're done here, go to recovery, then look reset your PC and press get started. So recovery, yes, and you will choose your opinion. Keep my files. No, don't do that. Just click remove everything. If you wanna reset your, don't click this. It will remove all drive and stuff. Just click remove everything, then click remove everything, and this won't take long. So there you go, guys. That's the step how to reset your Toshiba. So it won't take long, and let's wait a second. So pause the video. So then the next step will come, and if you wait, so you have to wait. This won't take long, then this will come. If you will keep your PC, it's yours. You just wanna reboot it or reset it, click this one. Just remove my files, because this is, if you're not using your PC, this will reboot every single thing and even your Windows. So click the one, just remove my files right there. The camera is not good, but click it. Then warning, yes. This PC was recently upgraded to Windows 10. If you reset, won't be able to undo to upgrade and go back to the previous version of the Windows. So click next. Ready to reset your PC, then click reset. So yes, resetting. So it will take like not long, but so you will have to wait. Just be patient. I I'll post the video a sec. Oh wait, did I click reset? Reset. Yes, I click it. So I think the PC will reset automatic right now. So basically you have to wait like a minute, I guess. I'll just pause the video. When the thing is done, I will come back. So there you guys, in like 10 seconds, and it will restart your PC. So if you can see, restarting. So guys, the camera is the worst camera. No, just joking. It's not good, but at least you guys can see how to reset your Toshiba satellite of whatever you guys call it. Yeah. So it's resetting right now. Hope you guys love the tutorial of whatever. So leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Peace out.